Ladies and gentlemen, we have some good news today. Some good news with regards to APLD stock. APLD stock tanked. Absolute mollywop. Okay, so it's down a little bit because Nvda sold its stake, and I just wanted to let you know that it's not the end of the world. If it tanks like 10-20%, it's a dip buying opportunity. It's an overreaction, right? Let's keep it simple, guys. We like to keep it simple on this channel. Hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. When you buy stock, you're doing it because you want to make money, right? Now, I mean, unless you like losing money, but we do it because we want to make money. We want to take our 1,000 or 10,000 or whatever and turn it into more. Well, Nvidia is a company, and just like any company, they can put their money into other businesses, and if they feel like selling, they can sell and take profit if they feel like it. This isn't the first time this has happened. So if we tank, it's stupid. It's just dumb. It's a complete overreaction. It's only down 7%. It's actually not tanking as bad as I thought it would be. So I was posting this in the Discord. Not a big deal. They do that often. And I showed everyone an example from my phone. Nvidia exited SoundStock. Nvidia officially exited its stake in SoundHound AI as of late 2024. So what? 2 years ago? 2024? It caused SoundStock to drop significantly. The move, which involves selling about 1.7 million shares, likely represents profit taking, right? I mean, they're just like anybody else. They're a company, they're a business, they're a person. We're all just trying to make more money. I mean, that's literally the whole point of a business. You're not starting a business to lose money, right? So I don't know. It's just an overreaction. It happened with SoundHound, and SoundHound then went to 20s. So it literally SoundHound tanked to like $6. Then it ran to 25. So it's literally take advantage. If this thing drops to 25, that's all I'm gonna say. There are gonna be some very happy people. Yeah, another example. Literally serve. Same. I think Nvidia got out of serve and sound at the same time, if I recall. Yeah, serve. Nvidia exited its entire stake in serve robotics. The stock experienced a significant drop, falling around roughly 30 to 37%, and then losing over 50% of its value by mid 2025. But it didn't matter that Nvidia sold all 3 million shares. Eventually, the stock recovered, and if you bought the dip, you made money. Like that's like literally, this is I unless you'd have to be like very inexperienced to not understand how big of a non-issue this is. It's a non-issue. The market will overreact to dilution. They will overreact to this kind of news. So it's always a dip buying opportunity. Let's see how low she's gonna go. I'd be shocked if it came down to 25. If it does, I mean, hell yeah, you better believe I'm buying. If it does come down, it doesn't matter that Nvidia sold. It's who wouldn't sell? I mean, are you not gonna sell if you bought and it goes up hundreds of percentages, right? Like that, you would be stupid. And there are very stupid people out there who have bought stock. They've been up hundreds of percentages and they don't take profit. And then they hold it all the way back down to their average. That's pretty dumb, isn't it? Wouldn't it be dumb of Nvidia to just sit there while they're up, right? When you take profit, is it the end of the world? Probably not. You're probably very happy. So, and I'm sure they're very happy too with their investment, right? We can even look it up. I wonder where they did buy. I am curious. Oops. Is that what I'm looking for? Edge. Well, we can just do some math here. Wow. At an average price of $5, they bought at $5.30. You can see right here. Unless this article is wrong. Since Nvda Corp has made one purchase of APLD at an average price of $5.30 for a total of 7.272 million shares. APLD's current price of 33.56, Nvda Corp estimated gain from selling off, they made a 533% return. So imagine being up 533% and not imagine buying APLD at $5 and not taking profit. I don't know. I guess there are people that are that stupid. Like, why would they sell? Because they're up 500%. I don't know. Maybe you're dumb and you hold it all the way back down. I guess we live in a world where we're trying to make money. So every day we wake up to try to make money to keep a roof over our head, etc., etc. So, um, I mean, that's life 101 right there. That's why people hate taxes, because it's like, wait, I work and then you take some from my check? What? So please, I was telling, I'm going to tell the Discord right now, please send it to, I want it at 25 and under. If it can come down to 25 and under, I think it would be at the purple line. Let me check. Yeah, if it comes down to 25-ish, it would literally come to the purple line. So, nothing more than opportunity. Nothing has changed. Literally, this is laughable. Like as soon as I saw that, I was like, yeah, end of the world. Right, right. They're supposed to just hold that 500% and not take profit, right? Yeah, they're just putting their money into the markets to not make money, right? Right. All right. Sarcasm aside, that's it for the video. I will see you tomorrow.